Guys, this is another JavaScript tutorial where we will see how we can simply create random number generator. So if you click on the number, that will give you any number from 1 to 10. You can increase the number from 1 to 100, 1 to 1000 or whatever, 1 to 5, but I just kept it to 10, so it will give you from 1 to 10. So let's see how we can achieve this. So let's get started straight away with the index.html. So I have done that script.js and style CSS file already in there, and they are linked to my HTML. So there is a font awesome as well for the icons and stuff. So first of all, we'll start with the container div that will have an sorry, my bad. So that will have another counter dash div. So that it will have h1, which is random number generator, and then there will be a span with the class of count, and then the initial will be 0, so we can see that. And then there will be HR, which is horizontal rule align, that will differentiate the button. And then there will be a button. So let's put in a div button. Okay, so with the class of generate. So the button will be generate. So we can just give, if the font awesome kit is there, so we can give an icon as well. I dot fas dot fa that spinner. So yeah, that will add there. I class fas fa spinner. Yeah, I can see the spinner. Okay, cool. So this is our basic HTML. We're done with the HTML. Let's jump into the CSS, where we can start with the let's start with body. So the body will just add font. Family will be sans serif. Let's not go too crazy. Sans serif would do. And then h1, let's leave it, don't worry about a bit more styling. So it's container mainly, so that will be max width 900 pixel, and then margin 0 auto, that will bring that into the center. Padding 0, 20 pixel, and display flags, justify content center, align item center, and height will be 100 viewport height, so that will bring in the middle. So let's do text align center as well, so everything nice and tidy in the middle. And then there will be a counter div. Let's do class, so that's counter dash div. Yeah, that's fine. So that will be width 40 rem, border 1 pixel, solid, and gray will be the color. Okay, so then there will be padding 1 rem, and then color white. That will change everything to white. Text align center, that's already been done, we don't need that. Border radius 5 pixel. So the background color will be light blue, or we can make it a bit more darker. That's all right, don't worry, don't go too much into detail. Blue color, I am going in detail, I'm saying don't go. Okay, anyways, so the count, so the count will be font size 4 rem, so that will be nice and big. If we add that dot there, that will catch the class. So now just left button, so the button class of button, padding 1 rem, and then margin 0.1 rem, and then font size 1.5 rem, and then there will be border none, and then outline none. Border radius 3 pixel, and then font weight, it's not gonna work, leave it. Cursor pointer, and the color will be, background color will be red. Yeah, so let's do color white, so the text in white. So okay, so button active, that will be scale 0.9. yeah, so if it's too much, do that 0.95, nice and easy. Okay, so that's pretty much everything we need from our style.css. Let's jump into the script, and we will create variables first, which gonna be count and generate. So the count and generate, okay, const number equal document dot query selector. The query selector will be count. Let's dupe that, and that will be button, and class will be generate. So button generate, and then count. Cool. Okay, so that's a very simple process. So there will be a function const generate number equal, so that will be an arrow function, const const random number equal math dot random. So random number will be math dot random, which because that's gonna give us if we inspect that, that's gonna give us a number of like 0.45 something. So to round that, we will wrap them into math dot floor, so this will make into a whole number. So then we gonna say that okay, times 10. So this will generate this one from 0 to 10, from 1 to 10. So number is not changing because we haven't targeted that inner HTML. Inner HTML equal random number. So this one is not working yet because we haven't created the event listener. So once we will create that button dot add event listener, and event listener is click. So once it is clicked, it will generate number, which is this one. So now let's see how it behave, and apparently it's not behaving because number equal count, that's count, that's class, that's okay. And then query selected generate, let's see if that spellings are okay. Nothing. So const get number, const random number equal math dot flow, math dot random, which is this one, and then number, which is this one, dot inner HTML equal random number. So button dot event listener, let's see, alert, hello. Okay, so it's connected, that's not an issue. Button dot add event listener, click, when it's clicked it should generate number. So why is not doing it? Generate number equal okay, const random number math dot flow, math dot random times 10. It's not targeting. So what's the error? Math.floor is not a function. Okay, that is not a function. It is a function. Math.floor is floor, spelling error. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So there we go. So now it's not gonna give us 10 because it's a very simple solution in there. So if we need to get the number 10, we're gonna add +1. So now let's say, see that straight away we got 10. Let's get the 10 and then I will conclude this tutorial. Don't drag it. Please give me 10. Please give me 10. Give me give me 10, please don't drag it. There you go. So I'm not gonna reiterate anyways. So that's the simple process. Sorry, keep an eye on the spelling. That can be hard to find, but the console log is the best way to find it where the error is. So that's the tutorial for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next video. Thanks, bye.